Welcome to another episode of By the Numbers. I'm Michelle Fleming.
And I'm Renee Smith. And looks like we have some money to play with today.
Yes, we're going to play a game called Money Match.
Okay.
The goal of the game is to get to, you can set any predetermined amount, let's say 50 cents.
Okay.
And we're going to roll a die, and whatever comes up on the die, that's how many pennies you take.
Okay.
But we're going to work on exchanging our values of our amounts. So if we get 5 pennies, we can exchange it for a nickel.
Cool.
And if we get 2 nickels, we can then exchange it for a
dime. I like it.
Okay, and we're going to go until one of us hits 50 cents.
Okay.
Okay, so I think we need to roll to see who goes first.
Okay. You guys,
Oh.
I think it's a loaded dice.
Okay, let's see if I can roll that 6 again.
Okay.
Oh, 5. So I could take 5 pennies and exchange it, but since I know it's the same as a nickel, I'm just going to take my nickel.
Okay. And I got 4. So I'll take 4 pennies.
And as we're playing this, they talk about if we can get our kids to like put our pennies into 5s and in groups of 5s again, kind of like the tally marks that we talked about earlier. It's real good to help them start to count by that.
I would imagine that helps when they start to do multiplication facts because they're able to count by 5s and so on. Okay, that was one of my 4, so I'm going to make an exchange for 5, and then there's my other 3.
Okay. I have 2, so if students need to actually take the 2 and then go, oh, I've got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exchange it out. I'm going to make 2 exchanges, though, while we're here, because now I'm going to exchange those 2 nickels for a dime.
Okay. And I have 4 more, so again, if I took the 2, I would know that this would be an additional nickel, but I'm going to do what you did. I better take my other 2 before I forget.
So you don't forget about them.
So I don't forget. So now I'm going to exchange those and this for a dime.
And you're ahead of me.
Well, only because I've rolled.
Woohoo!
Actually,
no, I started.
You started.
I'm rolling a 6, so I'm taking a nickel and a penny.
Okay. I would like one of those, but I don't seem to be rolling very big numbers.
Okay. So you just keep going. Oh, I'm going to take the nickel, but then right away I'm going to take my 2 nickels and trade it in for a dime.
Okay.
So I'm at 21 cents. And throughout this, keep asking how much money do we each have, so that way they're having practice counting the value of the money.
I took my 4, and I'm going to exchange 5 of them for a nickel. So now I'm up to 18 cents.
18 cents, and I have 21. Okay. Oh, wow, a penny.
I'm glad you only got 1. Maybe I can get a big roll. Oh, I only got 2. So, but I can change that for another nickel, and then the 2 nickels would then exchange for a dime. So I'm up to 20. Not too far behind if you keep rolling a penny at a time. So I have 23, and I've tied you. I like that. So basically, we would continue making exchanges up until we could get to a quarter.
Well, I'm just about ready to do that here real quick.
Okay, so you
4.
You got your 4.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to trade those 5 out.
You could leave it with
for
me if
a nickel. Like. And now I have my 2 dimes and my nickel I'm going to trade out.
And so we would just continue to go until we both get, or one of us gets to 2 quarters, 50 cents.
And again, you could say with younger kids, maybe you only want to go to 10. Maybe you want to go to 20 cents.
Okay.
You know, so you can change it. Older kids, you might want to go even longer.
Even longer to see how high up they could get. Maybe to that dollar bill. Maybe
yeah.
you'd add a dollar bill into this.
Maybe add dollar bills into it.
Okay.
Go to a dollar.
Well, this was a good way for us to learn more about the value of counting, value of money, as well as it helps us to start understanding skip counting by 5s and maybe 10s.
So thank you for joining us in another episode of By the Numbers.
See us again next time for more fun things to do with your children about math.